Hello everybody, today we were doing a review for Iowa Beard Company.
Hello, everybody.
What
What do you got there?
It's a match.
For the cat?
Yep.
Okay. Well, that's interesting.
Yes, it is.
How very interesting. What are we here to talk about today?
We are here to talk about Iowa Beard Co. with the Hitchhiker.
The Hitchhiker.
Oh, there's a cat.
Ah.
I hear a cat.
You do hear a cat. She's out there munching against the jungle.
Yeah.
So, Iowa Beard Co. Where's Iowa?
Right next to Illinois.
Illinois. There's no noise in Illinois.
But that's how they say it. That's how it's spelled.
Nobody says, I know, but it's just the way it is. So, Iowa.
Iowa.
So,
right next to Illinois.
and this is a fall scent. Even though we don't have fall in Arizona, it's just hot or hotter
Hotter,
or
colder,
kind
colder.
of chilly. Caden thinks that cold is like 60. Yes, but it's not. We live in a place where there's just cactuses. So this reminds me of when I lived in the Midwest and all the fall leaves. And that is kind of a cologne thing going on. It's just a complex scent.
I think inside our house is freezing. I think outside in winter it's freezing cold. I think in our house it's cold.
Yes, I agree. So let's talk about the price. So this wonderful shirt is $20. So I suggest you getting this shirt. It is awesome artwork. But the oil and the butter, which is what I would totally suggest because that's what I got, is $30. But if you get the oil, butter, and balm, which is the trio,
It's
40.
40.
Very good. He remembers what I said. So then we will talk about the ingredients. What do you think about the ingredients? You gotta read the ingredients.
Jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, castor oil, essential oil, fragrance oil blend.
Ooh, very good. You're getting really good at reading these out. What does that have in it?
Mango butter, coconut oil, shea butter, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, essential / fragrance oil blend.
That's awesome.
Yeah!
So, I'm going to say, now I want to get the smell tester supreme here. What do you think of the scent? Now, this is going to have something in it.
Pineapple.
So the scent profile, just to let you guys know, is, I'm going to read this off to you. It is crazy complex. Fall night, hay, musk, spiced mahogany, with hints of marshmallow, orange, and what?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. The Pineapple Kid is back.
The smell is good.
Dude, it smells like what?
A slight hint of pineapple.
He picks out of all the... See, this to me smells like walking through the leaves and like a little cologne. I think the mahogany kind of adds a little bit of the cologne element to it.
Pineapple fall cologne.
And a little bit of fruitiness from the other, like the pineapple. But Hayden, for some reason, just fixated on anything with pineapple. He can just sniff out, like, he's the pineapple supreme sniffer. If it has pineapple, he can smell it out.
You want to know the funny part?
What?
I discovered, I'm pretty sure the first time I ate pineapple was when I was like 8. So, I've probably eaten it like maybe 5 times through my whole life so far.
You've probably eaten it in things you don't realize it was in there. But what do you think? So I'm going to say that this butter is a poured butter, but it's a little creamier it's pretty creamy.
This is definitely more cologne. I don't smell as much pineapple as the oil, because the oil you smell like the spike of pineapple.
Okay, so anyway, to me, this but the oils feel is kind of I think because of the castor, it's a little bit more on the medium side because of the castor, but all the other ones, but it's so good in beard. That's the one thing that Iowa is known for. I've had another set of his products.
You know what else it's good for?
What?
It's good for pineapple.
I just want to say pineapple. So anyway, the other cool thing about this is the fact that I think the feel and beard of the butter is another one of those amazing. And this is just mango butter with the rest of his blends in it, but this is so amazing. What does the gnome have to say? The gnome says, "Good job." The gnome says, what did the gnome say?
It's awesome! Buy it.
Is that the creepy ghost hitchhiker? So the cool thing about this is that this was really kind of an inspiration from the Haunted Mansion. And I really like the Haunted Mansion. His name was
Joe.
Ezra. Joe. His name's Joe. I just made that up. I don't know his name. It's Ezra the Skeleton.
His name's
and
Johnny.
He has a top hat. I absolutely love this because it reminds me so much of when we went to Disneyland this last year and so many other times where you had the hitchhiking ghosts. And I just love the Haunted Mansion. That's like my favorite ride at Disneyland. So I was like all over this. As soon as I saw the shirt, I saw this. Anybody who knows me knows that I'm a fanatical Disney person because.
And also.
What?
The other thing that's the best about this, it's a haunted pineapple.
It's a haunted pineapple. So anyway, I absolutely love this product. I am actually looking kind of not forward to moving on from this. So this is going to be in my regular lineup. I think you can use this all year round. Though the fall element is still really nice, but I really am going to be sad to see I have to go test some more stuff, but I really wish I could have worn this for like a month or two during fall just because I loved it so much. So great feel and beard on the oil and the butter, as I would expect, because I had his sophisticated cedar, and I absolutely loved it. What?
Cat's attacking a plant.
Uh-oh, the cat's stalking a plant.
Attacking.
It's attacking it?
It's attacking the plant right now.
It's attacking the plant. Okay, well, do you have any final words, Kaden? What would you say? The gnome had words.
It's awesome, buy it!
What did he say?
It's awesome, buy it! Buy it now!
That's what the gnome has to say to that.
This thing is creepy. I just want to say that. This thing is scary. Dad.
He looks like he's going to the bathroom.
Yes, he does.
Right here on the table.
He's like, let me massage my beard. We're going poop.
Okay. Well, on that note, we're gonna leave this alone, and we'll talk to you later.
Wait, 1 second. The other thing you were asking me a question.
What do you think of this?
I think it's pretty pineapple.
I don't think you smell that much pineapple. It's a hint of pineapple.
I smell pineapple.
But Pineapple Boy here can smell anything pineapple
It's a
and
hint
anything.
of pineapple. That means it's still pineapple. This guy is attacking a plant right now.
See that? It's moving. It's actually the ghost. It's the hitchhiker ghost. That's who it was. We planned. Oh, she really is in there. Oh. Okay, well, on that note, yes, definitely go buy this before they run out and before fall is over, because I'm sure that this is seasonal, and I know that this is one of the best products of the season. I've seen several reviews on this now.
Yep.
From the fall extravaganza, and they said this was simply amazing, just like I thought. So, have a good day.
Yeah. And also, 1 second, Dad. Like and subscribe.